everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go get right into this. So these are bread proofing baskets. Let me go ahead and show you what they look like. I will be making bread this week, so that's why I got these. This is how they come. You have a round one for a round loaf. It's made out of like pretty much like paper mache. I think that's how you say that, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It's made out of like a paper type material. So you have this, and they do come with these little covers. So my guess is what I would do, instead of putting the bread directly on this, I would personally put it in like this. So you want to make sure you have this on, and then you're going to put your bread in here so that you don't have to wash the outside of this, because I don't know how this part would hold up in water. And then I like to use like a shower cap and put it over when my bread's rising. You're going to use this one, and then you're just going to flour this really well, put your bread, and then bake it. But let me go ahead and show you it in use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.